Smart affiliate marketing tips and tricks for new marketers. Affiliate marketing. There are just so many ways to define it, as it doesn't mean the same thing to everybody. There are also so many ways that somebody can market themselves or even other people. With so many ways to do things, you are probably wondering where you can begin. Try beginning with the tips noted here. When doing affiliate marketing, you automatically think of adding numerous banners to your site, but actually you should try to refrain from doing that. If you seem to have tons of banners stuffed into your website, it looks pretty ugly and makes people not interested in visiting your site again. Write an enhanced review about the affiliate product you are marketing and include screenshots, photographs, and videos. Most people will not buy a product before understanding exactly what it can do or seeing a demonstration which proves that the product lives up to its claims. An enhanced review can really inform a potential customer about the product, so it has the power to dramatically increase sales. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. To get a wider range of visitors to click through to your merchants, give them choices. Rather than sell just one hairdryer, sell 5 hairdryers and let them choose their favorite. Giving your visitors options makes them feel in control of the situation. Providing choices also increases your chance of appealing to visitors with specific criteria in mind. Affiliate marketing need not be your website's sole revenue stream. The same site that generates affiliate money can also use other advertisement strategies, like Google AdSense. In order to maximize effectiveness, though, it is best to keep some separation between your advertisers. Avoid working with 2 advertisers offering similar products to prevent them from cannibalizing potential customers off of each other. Yes, affiliate marketing is quite a subject in that it is a completely individual business move. No 2 people market in the exact same fashion. What one finds helpful, the other may not. The tips below should have given you some advice on how to start creating an affiliate marketing plan that works for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.